Okay, page 5 of the review. Now we're into the land of inequalities for polynomials. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, I want to write this to where it's got a 0 on one side. So that's going to be x to the fourth minus 10x cubed plus 35x squared minus 50 plus 24 greater than or equal to 0. So this tells me I'm looking for solutions that are above the x-axis, okay? First thing I want to do is identify the zeros. These are points. So from left to right, I can highlight them. They're right there, there, and there. There are 4 zeros. So those zeros are negative 4, 0, negative 3, 0, negative 2, 0, and negative 1, 0. So write the solution in interval notation. It's the solution to this inequality right here. Where is the graph greater than or equal to 0? So highlight on the x-axis everywhere that the graph is greater than or equal to 0. So it's above the axis here, it goes down. It's above the axis here, and it's above the axis here. Those look like 3 intervals. Since it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to be cautious about my brackets with square brackets. So the first interval is negative infinity to negative 4, parentheses on negative infinity, and square bracket on negative 4. Second interval is negative 3 to negative 2, square brackets around that. Third interval is negative 1 to infinity, square bracket on the negative 1. And then look at number 18. We have a graph that is below. I'm looking for where is x plus 5, 2x fourth minus x cubed minus 2x squared less than 0. First of all, find the zeros and then write the solution. So less than 0, I'm going to be looking below the axis. So if I identify the zeros, I'm going to write the zeros right here next to the graph. So the zeros are, you can see them, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So the zeros are at negative 2, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0. Okay. And then the solution for the inequality, they wanted me to look for less than 0. So that's below the graph. So I will highlight on the x-axis where's the graph below. So it's below from here to here, then it goes above, below from here to here, and from here to here, and then it goes above. So those intervals are, and keep in mind this was a strict less than, not less than or equal to. So those are 3 distinct intervals. The first interval is negative infinity up to negative 2. The second interval is negative 1 to 0. And the third interval is 0 to 1. And then with that same problem, it says what would be the case for where the solution is greater than or equal to 0. So I'll highlight that with this color. So where am I above the axis? That's from here to here and here to here. So that solution is going to be from negative 2 to negative 1, square brackets, and from 1 to infinity. Okay, and that's all of page 5.